Most clubs have the tools, but that doesn't mean the team is getting better. You've got scheduling apps no one checks, group chats on mute, and cameras filming games that gather digital dust.
The question isn't, do you have the data? It's, do your players actually understand the game? The bottleneck isn't administration, it's tactical alignment, right?
The final piece of the jigsaw isn't just a system, it's sync.
Football isn't played just with the feet, it's won through a shared vision.
If your players aren't seeing what you see, you've already lost.
VTAC Manager turns static plans into player instinct. We bridge the gap through 3 stages. Stage 1, the tactical canvas. Beyond the whiteboard, a living playbook. Visualize strategy in real time so the entire squad sees the same picture instantly. Stage 2, cognitive repetition. Turn any smartphone into a remote. Build tactical muscle memory before they even step onto the pitch. It's decision-making accelerated. Stage 3, synchronized unity. The world's first multiplayer tactical engine. The whole team learns, reacts, and adapts together until the entire squad moves as one. This is the turning point for your club. Stop managing paperwork, start mastering the game. Are you ready to complete the jigsaw? VTAC Manager, the missing piece is finally here. So, are you in? Let's get to work.